Hey guys, Colin here from CH Gadgets, and you probably already know that I got the LG Velvet right here. Very beautiful, very beautiful and sexy phone. And the Huawei P40 Pro, which is an elegant beast. And as you can see, these are two really good phones. This is almost like a piece of art, or maybe you could jewel, you could say. And this right here is a masterpiece. There you go. LG Velvet. So the thing about these are, this one, it is a nightmare to keep it smudge free. And also you gotta wonder how you gonna protect some of these phones, because this one is like this one is about $700 out the gate at launch, and this one is probably about $1,000 or more, give and take a few bucks at launch. I'm pretty sure the prices have gone down a little bit now, but it's not too far beyond what it was, maybe $100 respectively on both. So you definitely want to figure out a way how you can protect these. So Ringke sent a hookup a couple of cases that they want me to check out for the Huawei P40 Pro and the LG Velvet. By the way, if this is your first time here and you love tech and gadgets just like I do, and you want to see all the cool new tech that I get to test and play with every week, then start now by clicking that subscribe button and tapping that bell notification icon, so that you don't miss out on any of my new videos when they drop. All right, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna kick this off with the Ringke case for the LG Velvet first. Man, look at that, that is beautiful. I can't take my eyes off this thing. Absolutely can't take my eyes off it. But let's kick it off with the first case. And this one is the LG Velvet Smoke Black. Before we put it in, there you go, you can see it's right here. Just put the buttons and the cutout, the sides. There you go. Cut out at the bottom and the top where you got that microphone. That's what's up. All right, and that's the cutout for the camera right there. Let's see, the moment of truth. We're gonna put it in. By the way, this thing is really thin, so you definitely need some protection for this, because it yeah. Slide right in. Now, that's what it looks like. That's inside this case. That's what it looks like. You can see the cutouts right there. The microphone on the top, perfectly aligned. And the camera on the back. And there you go with the buttons on the side right there. Yeah. Now, the only thing I notice is it gives you some protection right here at the top that you can see, and at the bottom. Because of that crazy curve that the display has, you probably can't see it. There's no protection really for it because the display is curved so much, come all the way around. But I think they made enough at the top and the bottom right here to protect it when you put it face down, and it actually does. Now, you wish it could have a little bit on the sides, but then that would mess up the whole feel, and then it would also mess up the ergonomics, because you need that display so you can swipe to the left and swipe to the right. You can still swipe from the bottom. There you go. But the sides, you're definitely gonna need to swipe from the sides. Yeah, I'm really liking the Smoke Black. Got that little black accent, if you notice. Around the edges, it's clear, but it got that little black accent around the edges. You know, nice little smoke black. So yeah, that is the Ringke case, the Smoke Black for the LG Velvet. I kind of like it. Actually gives you a lot of grip in your hands, and it don't bulk it up too much, and it provides a lot of protection. Yeah, there you go. All right, so next up, this is the clear. Yeah, so there you go. There you go. It's the same exact case, providing the same kind of lip protection on the edges right here. And the cutouts, perfectly aligned, as you can see. And that's what I mean on the sides where you say that this case just come around and meet the display. So as you can see, the display is right there. The case just come around to meet it. Microphone in the top. The buttons on the side right there. And that's the back. Yeah, so I don't know. I'm a sucker for clear cases, and this one definitely looks good. But I don't know. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna play around with them a bit and see which one I'm feeling most. But right now, I feel like that smoke black just has that really nice stealthy look that I'm feeling. All right, so that's what's up. That is the clear case from Ringke for the LG Velvet. I'm definitely gonna leave some links down in the description so you can go check these out, check out the price, availability, and see which one you like. But so far, you know, I might play around with them a little bit just to see which one I'm feeling the most. But so far, I think I'm feeling the smoke black so far. But we're gonna play around with them a little bit more and see what's up. All right, so let's move on to the Huawei P40 Pro and see what kind of cases they got for them. So that's what's up with the packaging. So this right here, this is the Fusion case, I believe. Let me show you. Let me see. Yeah, so this is the Fusion X case for the Huawei P40 Pro. And the Fusion X case usually have these little patterns right here that provide extra grip when you're holding it in your hands. It's on the sides, there you go. Buttons right there. There you go. Those are the cutouts on the bottom. All right, so let's put it in the case and see. All right, so that's what's up. All right, there you go. Now you can see it. As you can see, buttons and everything. Buttons work just like they should. Got a volume rocker. It's very clicky. And a power button. There you go. So, as you can see, the cutouts are aligned for the speaker, a USB-C. Yep. And it's almost like the same exact thing with the, because of the curve on this display, as you can see right there. Let me see if I can show you another angle. But as you can see, the display is curved so much that they had to kind of stop the case coming around right there where the display actually meets the aluminum frame. But they still give you some lip protection right there. You can see right there, just the same as the regular Fusion case. It actually does provide some lip protection with those parts, just like the LG Velvet. And because your display is curved away from it, it actually really gives it a lot of clearance under there. So, your screen could stay protected. It's nice, I like it. Let's see what else is, what else Ringke's got cooking. So this one is the camo black from Ringke. Yeah, I'm definitely digging that black camo, man. That thing looks, ooh. Yeah. This one might stay on it. I might just have this one rocking this one on it. If you look on there, you see some Ringke branding right there. Really subtle, but also bold. And if you notice, got those nice little edge and that design right there to provide as much protection and grip as possible. And just like the other Fusion X case, as you can see, there's a lot of clearance between right here and the display. But then it also provides a lot of lip protection right here. And this right here is actually enough, like I said with the other one, it's enough clearance to actually give you some nice lift off any surface if you put your phone face down, so it actually keeps it protected. Look at that back. Yeah, that thing looks really good. Yeah. So yeah, that's the, this one is gonna stay on it. I'm just saying. I like this color, but yeah, look at this thing. And I think I'm gonna switch out from the clear. I'm a sucker for clear cases, but I think I'm gonna switch out from the clear on the LG Velvet And I'm gonna put on that smoke black just because it got that nice stealth look. All right, so finally got those pesky little cellophane wrap off. That would have looked like. Man, this thing looks really good. Look at that camo. This is a black camo. I'm really digging this black camo from Ringke Fusion X case. And this is the smoke black for the LG Velvet. And I'm really digging these right now. So if you want one for yourself, check the link down in the description. These provide a lot of protection. I'm really feeling them. They get a lot of grip. This feels really grippy. This feels really nice in the hand. Give it almost the same feel out of the box, the same out of the box feel that this phone comes with. That's what this case gives it. And I know that was by design. Yeah, so yeah, it actually gives it almost the same feel. You know, it's not 100%, but it's close enough. Close enough to get that same feel, but it still feels way more grippier than out of the box. And yeah, look at that camo black. This thing looks dope. I'm really feeling it. I'm digging it. Yeah, so I'm gonna let these stay on there for a while and see what's up. So I'm probably only gonna use this on occasions, you know, the dual screen case, but it's probably gonna be staying in this one for a little bit because I'm a sucker for clear cases, and this one looks really good, showing off that sexy look, but at the same time it's protected. And that's the camo black. And that's that blue case and the Fusion X, and that's that white one for the LG Velvet. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave some links down in the description. If you want one for yourself, check the link in the description. And also, let me know which one of these phones you got and which one of these cases you actually dig. I'm really digging this one, and I'm really digging this one for the LG Velvet. So, let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you guys in my next video. Peace.